Before you continue on with this video, please make sure that you know how to plot coordinate points onto a Cartesian plane. We are looking at linear algebra, and today we're going to be looking at patterns and seeing how we can relate those patterns to coordinate points and plot them on a Cartesian plane and see what happens. So, we are going to look first of all at the square tiles that we use to make the pattern that you can see over here that's given to us. So we have the square tiles we use to make the pattern below. We have our first pattern, there was one tile. The second pattern, there were 3 tiles. The third, there were 5, etc. So, first of all, just to make sure that we've got the pattern right, can you see we're adding 1 to each end? It's really quite important to just draw the next pattern, because then you will know if you've got it right. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're adding 1 onto the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we've got that extra 1 on there. So we're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 for our 5th pattern. So there it says, draw the next pattern. This will make sure you've thought about your answer. So what we're going to say is the pattern number will stand for X and the result will stand for Y. So our first pattern number, 1, X is 1, we have 1 square, and the coordinates are then X is 1 and Y is 1. In our second pattern, so in our second pattern over there, we've got 1, 2, 3 squares, so our coordinates are going to be 2, 3. In our third pattern, which is over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in our fourth pattern, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of those, and it's our fourth pattern, so it'll be 4, 7. And we drew our 5th one, so we can put in our 5, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I was going to scroll down. What we're going to do now is plot all of our coordinates onto our Cartesian plane. So when we have the point 1, 1, I'm going to find 1 and go up 1 and plot that on there. Then I'm going to find the point 2, 3, so 2 on my X, and I'm going to go up 3 to there. Then I'm going to do 3, 5, so I'm going to go all the way to 3 and up to 5, and 4, 7, and 5, 9. And that is all I need to do. I'm just going to rub out my little line there. We don't need to do that. Is all you need to know on how to plot your points given a pattern. What I'd like you to do now is pause the video and print off the second page, or go and work on your Word documents on the OLE and complete question 2 on your own. So pause it, do it on your own. Right. Now that you're back, we can go through that example. So first, second, third, and fourth. And so the first thing we're going to do is draw our 5th pattern. So in this case, I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 going that way. And then draw my little roofs on and my little lines in between. So for pattern number 1, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 matches. For pattern number 2, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 matches. For pattern number 3, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 matches. And for my fourth pattern, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And the one I drew, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So, my X and Y coordinates are 1, 5, 2, 9, 3, 13, 4, 17, and 5, 21. So now I need to plot those onto my Cartesian plane. I'm going to choose 1 across and 5 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 across and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now I'm going to run out of items, but if I had 3 it would be 13, 10, 11, 12, 13, so kind of going up, it's kind of going in a line, 13, etc. Okay, well done.